Hi there, in this screencast I'm going to show you how to populate the puzzle letters with whatever the user inputs in the text box. So if I run the program right now, I'm not really going to see much because both the letters and the underlines that go with them are invisible. And as soon as you know what, while I'm thinking about it, let me make the hangman images all invisible too, so, because that's the way it would be when the game starts. Okay, so now I'm going to take whatever is the user enters here in this text box and populate the arrays of letters with those letters and make the underscores appear where a letter should go. Now if there's a space, so if I'm doing phrases that have multiple words, then I want a space to appear, and that means no underscore. Okay, so in the event handler for start, I'm going to say this: puzzle equals text puzzle phrase dot text. So that's the contents of the text box, and I'm assigning it to puzzle. And now I need to go through each character in puzzle and put those characters in the array of labels called letters and make the corresponding underlines appear as well. So I'm going to do a for loop. And I++. And we're going to say this. Okay, so if puzzle.substring I comma 1, so that's each character in the puzzle in the order that they appear. Well, if that is equal to a space, then I don't want to, oops. I'm not going to put anything at all in to anything, and then else I'm going to say, let's see, letters I equals puzzle I. So that assigns the letter that is in the puzzle phrase string into the corresponding position in the letters. Let's see. Oh, I'm sorry. This needs to be puzzle dot substring. Yeah. And if I put, let's see, sub, what am I doing wrong here? Oh, these should be parentheses, not square brackets. And oh, there they are. Sub str. Let's see, what's wrong with this? Cannot string into, oh, I'm sorry, it's labels I dot text. Okay, and then I want to make the corresponding underline appear. So I'm going to say underline bracket I dot visible equals true. Okay, so that should do it. But you know what? Let me make this a little bit neater looking. This kind of is silly to have this if, you know, and then this blank block of code here. So really, this whole thing means this can be rewritten this way. Okay, so let me try it out. So I'm going to run it. And let's see, I'm going to enter. Alright, so, and I got an error. So out of range exception. Oh, okay. I think it's probably because planes, trains, and automobiles has more than 24 characters. So let me come up with another one to try. And I actually found this list of expressions on that are found in Wheel of Fortune. So I'll just pick casting my vote. So I'm going to go back and run it again. Okay, so that did seem to work. Obviously, I need to align my letters up a little better because they don't look that great. But notice that I do have a space in here where the spaces belong. Okay, let me try another one. Let me do maybe a person. Editorial staff, we'll try that one. So I'm going to stop it, rerun it. Okay, there you go. All right, I hope this was helpful, and we will catch you later.